Hey, Farzod, founder and CEO of Cicero here. This is an internal app only, but imagine a world in which you can come in here and say, hey, I want to learn about will Russia win the war in Ukraine? Okay. And Cicero searches out there, and what it's doing right now is looking at the world's biggest, best thinkers on this topic and trying to find, okay, who are the top geopoliticians, who are the top political scientists at top universities, top organizations, and find their content, no matter where it is, if it's on a niche blog or a niche Substack or some podcast they have or on the BBC, great. And then create an assessment of that for you based on what these people have to say. Now, imagine this then turning into a newsletter and a feed that updates over time. A feed that you can come to, just like what you see here on Cicero. And every day you can see, okay, here's my Will Russia Win the War in Ukraine feed. Here's a new article that came out. Here's a new podcast that came out. Here's a new YouTube video that came out. And not only you get that on your phone, on your web browser, but you also get it as a newsletter every week, summarized and synthesized. Here's what happened the past week in this topic. Now imagine this happening for anything you care about, whether it's Flemish art, or it's early Roman Republic history, or it's the Danish invasion of Britannia, all the way to quantum mechanics. You get to decide. And that's what we're building at Cicero right now. You can right now build your feed and follow the voices you want. It's jointed from the app that I was showing you earlier, but what we're working on right now is making these into a single experience.